For this question, they literally want you to use the charge value and the mass value for a proton and divide them. And then same thing for the electron for part B. So I'll get those values from the useful values document. And for the proton, the charge is positive 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19. And the mass is 1.67 times 10 to the negative 27 kilograms. So the charge to mass ratio is when you divide them. And let me see. So it'll be 9.58 times 10 to the exponent of 7. The units would be the units of charge divided by the units of mass. So this would be coulombs per kilogram. All right, we can do the same thing for the electron. So the charge of the electron is the same. It's negative this time. The mass of the electron is 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms. So the charge to mass ratio of an electron, let's see, it'd be negative 1.76 times 10 to the 11 coulombs per kilogram. All right, and we're going to use the same concept of the charge to mass ratio for the next question, but in a different way.